What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already done so. Just takes a second and really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at checking for and running an update for Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve is a powerful video editor application that has a ton of functionality in the free version. If you haven't used it, I highly recommend it. Before upgrading versions, it's highly recommended to install all updates on your hardware and OS, including the latest GPU drivers. Additionally, export and back up your project database. At the time of this recording, there was instability and crash issues reported with version 20. I also recommend keeping the original install media for your current working version. At the end of this video, I'll put a link to locating previous versions for download in case you need to roll back. To check for updates, in the top left, click the Davinci Resolve button, check for updates. A new window will open and click download. Download the zip file. I've put a copy of it on the desktop. Right-click and extract with your preferred zip utility. I prefer 7-zip. Open the extracted folder and run the executable. Click Install. Click Next, Accept, Next, Next, and Install. And finish. OK with the successful completion prompt. Upon opening Davinci Resolve for the first time, you might see this warning on screen. You can do two things. Go to Windows Update and check for updates. Update your GPU video driver. Or click Update Configuration. Click Memory and GPU. Unselect GPU Processing Mode to Auto. And click Save. And then reopen Davinci Resolve. We can see that Davinci Resolve has been updated successfully. At the time of this video, it is updated to 20.3.1. If you were to open up any of your previous projects, you might see this message. Go ahead and click Upgrade. And Davinci Resolve and your project opens just fine. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful updating Davinci Resolve in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's Ninja Fix It.